Welcome to SignTech Forms, where you can easily complete and send back to any organization with their form on the platform. The SignTech Forms app is very easy to use and saves you time and energy. To download the app, simply go to the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. You can also type in SignTech Forms app into Google and you will find the link. You can also go to the SignTech Forms website, www.signtechforms.com, and click on the Apps page from the main menu. After you install the application, you will be able to search for companies, forms or categories. Once you have installed the SignTech Forms app, you can now start completing forms in a number of ways. How to get the form you need. You can download the form you need in a number of ways. By clicking on a link that you may have received, this takes you directly to a specific form that you can start completing. You can search the app by form name. The app lists all the public forms that are available for completion, and if you know the name of the form you want, then simply search by name. You can search by company. Each company using the SignTech Forms platform will have their forms listed on the app under their company profile. Therefore, you can go to a company profile and see all their forms. For example, let us go to EBs Limited profile and you can see all the paperless forms that EBs Limited has. By clicking on the form you want to complete, you then have access to start completing it. Please note that if a company uses the SignTech app for internal and private forms, then you will need to log into that company's profile in order to complete their form. Now that you know how to get to a specific form, let us look at how to complete and sign forms. In this section, we would like to demonstrate how easy it is to complete a form, in this case, the customer inquiry form. You simply fill in the text boxes you see and, at the end, add your signature where it says Signature. We have specific format fields, such as email, where the system checks the format to ensure you have entered an email address, and if it is not correct, it will alert you and you need to correct it before you can finalize your form. If a field is required or mandatory, then you cannot complete the form without completing such fields first. Preview mode. We have a preview function where you can check the form before you finalize it and send it back. If there is a mistake or you forgot a field, you have time to review it and make corrections. Finalize your form and send it back. When you are sure that you have finished, click on the Finish button, then Send. If the form is designed to be returned by email, the system automatically opens your email client, and here you can write a message or you can attach more files. Everything that you can do when writing a normal email. Note that the SignTech app will have automatically entered the email address that the form needs to be sent to, so you can just click on Send as you would normally do. Your form will be immediately sent to the recipient. Open with Mobile Open Link. If you have been sent a link of the form, you have to click on the link and it will direct you to the SignTech app. Simply click on Open the Application button. Note that if you click on the link from your computer, then you will be taken to the SignTech Forms facility to sign using the web. Completing via web browser. If you are completing the form using Internet browser, i.e. Google, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, after you click on Finish, you must download the document by clicking the Download PDF button and save the form so that you can attach it to an email in order to send it. Note that you have to remember where you saved the completed form. You will need to create an email and attach the form if you are using this method. Other parts of the SignTech app. In the SignTech application, you can reach the main menu on the left side. Under My Forms tab, you will find Draft Forms, Submitted Forms and Completed Forms. By Draft Forms, once you start completing a form, it gets saved into Draft Forms. when you have clicked on Next or moved to a new tab. If you open this tab, you will see your unfinished forms, and you can add more info and finish completing them at your convenience and in your own time. By submitted forms, these are forms that you have previously submitted. You can go back into these forms and edit them in case you have to make changes and resubmit for some reason. Note that the date and timestamp are captured, and therefore if you change data on a form, there is an audit of when the data was changed in order to ensure all parties have the same information. You can see your completed and sent forms in PDF format, and you can share them again via email or via other network. These forms have been converted into PDF and cannot be changed. If you have further questions, please contact us by going to www.signtechforms.com. Thank you for watching.